Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove text outline in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. This video now I can see remove text outline in Photoshop. Now we show the text. Now you can see then we show the text outline in the red color. Now going to the layer menu option. Now click from text layer. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from blending option. Now you can see then we show the menu setting. Now click from stroke option. Now click from take out not in the stroke. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see remove outline text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.